Let's take up oxoacids of halogens. Due to high electronegativity and small size, fluorine forms only one oxoacid, HOF, known as fluoric acid or hypofluorous acid, but it is only stable at minus 40 degrees centigrade. Other halogens form several of oxoacids and they are stable only in aqueous solution or in the form of their salts. This is the table showing different oxoacids: HOF, hypofluorous acid, HOCl, hypochlorous acid, hypobromous acid, and hypoiodous acid. Chlorine can form chlorous acid also, whereas bromine and iodine cannot form. Chlorine can form chloric acid, bromine can form bromic acid, and iodine can form iodic acid. Their formula is HClO3, HbRO3, and HiO3 respectively. Chlorine can form HClO4, that is perchloric acid. Bromine can also form perbromic acid, and iodine can form HiO4, that is periodic acid. Oxidation number of halogens in HOCl, HOBr, HOI plus 1 oxidation state, and in chlorous acid plus 3 oxidation state, in chloric acid, bromic acid, and iodic acid is plus 5, and plus 7 is shown in HClO4, HI4. General name: hypohalous, halous, halic, and perhalic. Acidity goes on increasing. HClO is least acidic, then HClO2, then HClO3, and then HClO4. Reason is ClO4 minus is most stable due to delocalization of negative charge on 4 oxygen. It is more stable than ClO3 minus chlorate ion, where 3 oxygen are there for delocalization of negative charge. In ClO2 minus only 2 oxygen are there, and ClO minus there is 1 oxygen is there. So greater the stability of ions formed, more will be acidic character. That's why acidic character increases from HOCl to HClO4. Oxidizing power: HClO has highest, it breaks down very easily to HCl plus oxygen, whereas it goes on decreasing. HClO is weakest oxidizing in nature because stability increases. HClO is least stable, whereas HClO4 is most stable. These are the structure. Hypohalous acid is a bent molecule. Oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization and has 2 lone pair. Chlorous acid, we have got 1 OH bond, and Cl is linked with 1 double bond and 1 bond with oxygen, that it shows plus 3 oxidation state. Here chlorine shows plus 1 oxidation state. Here it is chlorine plus 5 oxidation states. So 1 double bond with oxygen, another double bond with oxygen, single bond with oxygen, and 1 oxygen hydrogen bond. Perchloric acid, chlorine shows plus 7 oxidation state, 6 bonds with 3 oxygen, all double bond, 1 single bond with 1 oxygen, another single bond with hydrogen. These are the structure of these acids. Interhalogen compounds. Compounds formed among halogens are called interhalogen compounds. They are essentially covalent due to less difference in electronegativity. They are more reactive than halogens due to less effective overlapping and polarity. They are of 4 types: XX-, XX-3, XX-5, and XX-7, where X is halogen of larger size and X dash is of smaller size, and X is more electropositive than X dash or less electronegative than X dash. These are examples of interhalogen compounds: AB type ClF, BrF, BrCl, ICl, IBr. AB3 type ClF3, BrF3, ICl3. AB5 type ClF5, BrF5, and AB7 type is only one, IF7. Preparation of these compounds. Interhalogen compounds can be prepared by direct combination or by action of halogens on lower interhalogen compounds. The product form depends upon some specifications. For example, chlorine plus fluorine in equal volume, if they react, we get chlorine monofluoride at 473 Kelvin. But if we take chlorine and fluorine in excess, fluorine is in excess in 1:3 ratio at 573 Kelvin, we get chlorine trifluoride. If I2 and Cl2 react in equimolar ratio, we get iodine chloride. But if chlorine is in excess, we get iodine trichloride. Bromine reacts with fluorine when diluted with water, we get BrF3. And if excess of fluorine we take, we get 2BR5. This is the way how we can get interhalogen compounds. Properties. Some properties of interhalogen compounds. ClF is colorless gas, VRF is pale brown gas, IF is detected spectroscopically, VRCl is also a gas, ICl ruby red solid in alpha form, brown red solid in beta form, and black solid. Their structure is linear because all diatomic molecules are linear. ClF3 colorless gas, BrF3 yellow-green liquid, IF3 yellow powder, ICl3 orange solid. All these trihalides undergo sp3d hybridization with 2 lone pair of electron and 3 bonded pair of electrons. They are bent molecule. The bent T-shaped molecule. IF5 is colorless gas but solidifies below 777 Kelvin. BrF5 is colorless liquid. ClF5 is also colorless liquid. All of them are sp3d2 hybridized. One lone pair, square pyramidal in shape. IF7 is a colorless gas, undergoes sp3d3 hybridization. Shape is pentagonal bipyramidal. These are all covalent molecules and diamagnetic in nature. They are volatile solids or liquid except ClF, which is a gas at 298 Kelvin. Their chemical reactions can be compared with the individual halogens. In general, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens except fluorine. Fluorine is more reactive than interhalogen compounds because of repulsion between valence electrons due to exceptionally small size. So XX- bond in interhalogen is weaker than XX bond in halogen except FF bond, reason being that they have polarity and least effective overlapping. All these undergo hydrolysis giving halide ions derived from the smaller halogen and hypohalite derived from the bigger halogen, halite, halate and perhalate anion derived from larger halogens. XX- plus water will give HX- plus HOX will be formed. Their molecular structures are interesting and which can be explained on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. The trihalides have bent T-shaped, pentahalides are square pyramidal, and IF7 has pentagonal bipyramidal.